Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. Back with a video, and this is going to be basically an inside video of a USRP N210 by Ettus Research. So we're going to look at what's inside of this software-defined radio platform, which is a very popular platform. I think Ettus Research were the people who actually made these platform quite popular. So we're going to look at inside of this, and we're going to discuss these ports and things like that. So if you were to look at your USRP, I personally bought this USRP N210 because of the reason that I can connect multiple of these guys together in a form of a MIMO configuration by using a GPS DO octo clock, which they sell online. So let's go ahead with the front one. This particular port that you're seeing, which is an SMA port right here. This SMA port is for transmit and receive. This is where you're going to connect your transmitter. If you want to transmit anything from USRP, so you're going to connect your antenna here. If you just want to do a receive only transmission, that is connected at RF2, which is connected to the daughter card. This is the Ethernet port. This is how it's going to be connected to your laptop. So the first problem that I was having when I got these is actually my laptop did not have a gigabit port. So make sure your laptop, your device have a gigabit port. That's where you connect your gigabit port. You need 6 volt 3 amperes. So you need to have a power adapter which comes with it. So this is your transmit and receive port. This is your receive port only. And here you can connect these 5 volt clock. And you can also connect your reference in and PPS clock in by using these two ports, which is also an SMA port. If you were to look at on the back side of it, the back side is quite simple. Nothing fancy happening here. In the back, there's nothing there. You will find the Ettus Research sticker, your MAC ID, and stuff like that. Now, when you look at inside of this board, if you were to look at it, so you have a giant daughter card. So right now, I'm using UBX-40. The reason I'm using this particular daughter card is because it has a frequency range from 10 megahertz or 10 megahertz all the way up to 5 gigahertz. 6 gigahertz UBX daughter card. So this is a very good card. Before that, I was using WBX, that is covering lower frequencies up to like 22.1 gigahertz in my other USRP. Now this daughter card by itself, it will have a down conversion path. This down conversion path is connected via this, and that is taking care of frequency from 10 megahertz all the way up to 500 megahertz. And on this path, when there's an electronic switch which actually converts that, and there is also another down conversion path which is actually from 500 megahertz all the way up to 6 gigahertz, and then you have some up conversion as well, which is also taking place within that daughter card. Let me show you how does this daughter card look like. I have a brand new one, so I'll show you this. Give me a minute. So this is this card. This is how this UBX daughter card comes in. This is where you will plug in your transmit and receive path. This is where the SMA cable will connect. This is the receive part. On the back side of it, there's nothing much to it. You have to screw this off to see the inside circuitry of this. But these are the two jacks that are connecting this daughter card to your motherboard of your USRP. Now this motherboard USRP, the brain of this guy is a Spartan chip. So this would just slip in like this into these notches which are built in on the board as well. So you have two of these notches which will just go in like this, and you will screw it like this, just like I've shown you, I think in my other video as well. So this will connect this to your daughter card, and the brain of this daughter card has a chip which is a Spartan chip. USRP Ettus made like two of these guys. You have a USRP N200 and USRP N210. The only difference is one of them has a Spartan 3A DSP 1800 FPGA, which is for N200, and for N210 it has 3400 FPGA chip. These are the two chip. These are the two chips. That's the only difference between USRP 200 and USRP N210. I'll show you another thing which allows them to connect multiple of these USRPs together, which are called your MIMO cable. This is what a MIMO cable looks like. All right, this is what a MIMO cable looks like. So I can connect multiple of these guys together like this. I can just simply plug it in. Hold on a second. This is how I can plug these in, and I can at least connect without a GPSDO clock or without an Octo-G clock. I can connect two of these guys together to form a MIMO stream using this. I think I made a short video on this as well. So just pull this thing off. This will come off. So this is known as your MIMO cable, and I think I got two of these guys, so I can connect two of them together to form a MIMO configuration. So that's all there is to it. X310s, I also have X310 as well. That is a bit more complicated. There are a lot of things going on, but this is the favorite. This is my favorite actually, USRP. When it comes to universal software defined radio peripheral, you get about 20 megahertz of bandwidth. You get about simultaneous transmission reception. It's a full duplex radio system where you can design your own GSM system and things like that. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.